Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, March 20th, 2018. Take a look at Facebook. Facebook just tagged a major level. We are in the intraday stock chat here, and again, we are in the money on this trade. Beautiful level at 162, pivot low going all the way back to September of last year. Huge level, two-day drop on this stock. Again, Facebook seeing some major issues after basically word leaked out that an analytics firm misused personal data from people on Facebook, up to 50 million people. So pretty big stuff. It also has political ramifications as apparently it was used in the 2016 elections, and that just adds to the angst of people with Facebook stock. You can see the massive dumping, 70 million shares traded today. Look at yesterday's volume and today's huge drop. But bottom line is, guess what? I'm in. And we're in the money. Stock's starting to bounce more here. Beautiful move. I'm going to look for 163.50 on a target. That would be $1 gain for me. And again, this is just simple day trading. Third time we've traded Facebook today. The other two times have been for profits. And this is just a thing of beauty. Look at this starting to move up here as it continues to bounce. When you know the levels to trade, it is so easy to find profits. I mean, they literally come to you like water coming out of the tap. I mean, it is that awesome. And I can't stress that enough how, again, whether you could actually swing trade this level probably for a day or so. You'll probably see another day bounce after today or so. But I believe that short term, the low is in for the day. And again, I'm looking to at least get a buck out of this. I got a nice amount of shares here that I'm holding from this level. And again, beautiful bounce coming in. So this is where it's all at, folks. I mean, literally, bottom line is, if you know the charts, I mean, you could just see it so clearly. I mean, stock's down over $20 in basically a day and a half into a major pivot low here. If I zoom out on this chart, look at this. See how it's the lowest point ever since you broke out? So you broke out here, and then you retraced, and this was your lowest point of the entire retrace. And it just dictates pure and simply that this is going to be the support level. Okay, so again, 162, huge level. Again, stock is trading above 163 right now, and it's trying to find its mojo to push up even more. I'm trying to be patient with this because I do think we can get a nice chunk of change out of it from the intraday stock chat. And again, third time we're in Facebook today. Yesterday we traded it twice for two profits. Today, again, this is the third time in. And again, who knows how this one turns out, but right now we are in the money pretty nicely on it. And again, looking to maximize our profits here on the stock. And again, there's a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, folks. It's a no-brainer. I mean, literally in one day. Yesterday, I think the average person made over $5,000, which pays for a year plus of the chat. I mean, it's just, so it's kind of like a no-brainer. Today alone, more winners. Again, this will be our third winner of the day right here on Facebook, and looks beautiful right now as it continues to trade beautifully off that major support. Now, interestingly enough, just doing a real quick talk about the markets. The markets are actually hanging in there right around the flat lines, give or take, and considering Facebook's debacle, again, it's actually a good showing. I think the markets are going to stay kind of neutral-ish because we're waiting on the Federal Reserve tomorrow. So tomorrow is the first day where Jerome Powell, the new chair of the Federal Reserve, will make his statement on Federal Reserve policy in terms of interest rates. And also, you're also going to see his press conference in the afternoon, which will be the first time he's in front of the cameras answering questions from reporters. So I think the market, yesterday was a big down day. Today, more of a flattish day. Tomorrow, probably flat as well until we hear from him. Once we hear from him, boom, then you're going to get a reaction. And I think Wednesday afternoon into Thursday, that'll be the huge move in the market. Whether it's up or down, we'll find out. But don't forget, we've entered into now Mercury retrograde in the form of Aries, by the way, for the god of war. So that is a big deal for those of you that know cycle work and keys on how the overall kind of astronomy plays into the overall markets. And here comes Facebook, guys, coming up to 163.50. Let's see if it can tag me and get me out here. Let's see if it pushes. So close, within the 5 cents, 6 cents here as it's printing. And again, there it is. There it is. I'm out. All right, guys, I got to tell the chat room I'm out. I got to jump off this video. That's a $1 gain on the stock right there. Talk to you later, guys. Take care.